upward. Okay, so I'm going along that line, if you can see that, and you can see that part. And then I'm going to fold both sides upward. So this is telling me to go this direction, but you can see this line here, right? Where am I? That these should be the same from the top of that to the bottom. Okay, so I'm folding this right along that line I've already made. Okay, and then folding it back because I have that double line. Again, I have this line here. Okay, so these are the same from this point to this point. So I'm folding this over. Okay, and folding that down. You can see that dotted line. Okay, so next step right here, I'm folding right here. You can see from this point to this point, it needs to be in half. Okay, so I'm basically touching that point to the other. Okay, so I'm going to fold right here. This gets creased all the way up to the underneath here. Some people will crease it the whole way. It wouldn't mess it up if you did. Okay, but this is the hard part. This is where this turns into the top of a lid. If you look from this part, you see this line, you're gonna fold backwards on it. So you fold this way, which pulls this down and turns this into a corner. Okay, so let me show you again. This was folded in half. So from here to here, fold here, so I can't have it funny this way or this way. It has to be right there. And then you fold backwards on this line. So fold here and it turns into this corner. Okay, you need 4 of these. Okay, for the top. So each one, you've got like quadrants, right? Each corner. So I'm gonna go ahead, fold this again, and I'm gonna go a little faster, and then a little faster, but I'm actually gonna walk through it the whole time so then you can see, but I don't want this to be like an extremely long video. Okay, so fold in half, okay, open it back up, fold the corner. The nice thing is you could stop and rewind this, okay? And then down, and you know, sometimes, hey, going up is the same way. So fold that across, going to my 4, folding this one up along that crease that you can see. Sometimes if you've worked with a piece of paper so many times over and over and it doesn't work, it's better to start over, right? Grab a new piece of paper so you don't have all those creases. We're gonna fold this part down. Okay, so turning from this part in half, crease that over, open it back up, fold this in half, okay, crease this down. Okay, this is the tricky part. From this corner to this part, you fold this over. Okay, I'm gonna crease it, but then you can see that line right there gets folded backwards. Okay, so again, I have another corner. Okay, so let's do it 2 more times. So in half, and corner in, and down. Okay, and up. And down. Okay, back up and then over. Okay, and then open, and then from corner to corner here, this side, over, crease up, and then you're looking for that line right there and pulling that back. Okay, so number 3. And then we have number 4, right? So in half, okay, the corner, in half, and then up. Okay, and then this part, it gets folded in half. This part gets folded in half, and then again right here on this side in half. Look at that piece, look at that fold, and then fold it backwards. Okay, so we have 4 of these sections. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, start over, or push start again, so I can have a couple different segments of this. The next part's gonna be putting this together. Okay.